Want to switch to another Netflix profile on your iPhone? Maybe your own, your kids, or a shared family profile? It's super simple. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change profiles in the Netflix app on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open the Netflix app. Make sure you're signed in. Now, choose a profile to get into. By default, you'll be on the home menu. Go to My Netflix from the bottom. Then, tap your current Netflix profile icon in the top. Here, you'll see all your Netflix profiles. To switch between them, just tap on the one you like. Then, you'll switch to that account. If you ever want to switch back, just go to that same place and switch your account by the same method. And that's it. That's how you change profiles on Netflix using your iPhone. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.